Hello friends, welcome to the channel Sanjoita. This is Tanmay De. I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to dictate an editorial passage from the Hindu. This passage is about the recovery plan after the pandemic COVID-19. Total words 761. Speed will be 80 words per minute. As you know, after the dictation, you will get the important words outline and the full passage. Now, be ready. I will start my dictation after the countdown of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. The world could emerge from COVID-19 so much the words by attempting within single quote business as usual decode, or it could take pathways to a more just sustainable future. In Europe and the US, a within single quote Green New Deal decode within bracket GND bracket close proposed by some from the political mainstream puts the climate and employment crisis at the center of economic recovery. In India, we have a chance to build on our genius and heritage to forge a multi-hued approach, a rainbow new deal within bracket RND bracket close. By RND, I refer to a seamless integration of ecological protection and tackling of wealth inequality and economic vulnerability of several hundreds of millions of people. Green meets red, so to speak, but within single quote green decode itself is a restricted environmentalism. The oceans and rivers and natural deserts and mountains together are a lot more colors. I also include here recognition of multiple genders and sexualities from whose movements I borrow the symbol of the rainbow. Our most urgent task is to generate dignified, sustainable livelihoods for the vast majority of the population and workforce that is today living precarious lives. And this has to be built on regeneration and safeguarding the country's soil, natural ecosystems, water, biological diversity, and air. We should never forget that the more we destroy it, the more we invite crisis from COVID-19 to climate. The nearly 200 billion small farmers, pastoralists, and fishers can be enabled to sustain or switch or organic, ecologically sustainable production and their own food security as the highest priority, and with local marketing links. This would include over 10 million people who appear to have gone back to agriculture in the COVID-19 period. Next, the R&D could encourage lifestyles and livelihoods that obtain substantial food, medicines, household items, and other needs, as also sustainable livelihoods from natural ecosystems. Forest based livelihoods alone, for instance, can support 100 million people. Third, it would entail reviving and sustaining India's incredible diversity of crops and decentralized production of most goods and services across all villages and towns with a massive investment in the small and medium sector enterprises. This could gainfully employ 200 million people. All such production could be run democratically as producer companies or cooperatives. For all the above schemes, like the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, could be reoriented and extended, including for urban livelihoods. Then the R&D would entail substantial investments in public health, education, housing, transportation, and other basic needs. If these are run in a decentralized way with appropriate training, they could generate many more millions of jobs. The same could be for other services like digital networks and communications, as also decentralized infrastructure development by worker collectives. All of these would be within ecologically sustainable limits and specially focused on empowering and benefiting the most marginalized people. In such a recovery, big companies need to be kept out. Soap, footwear, furniture, clothes, energy, and myriads other items of everyday use can be produced by community run units across the country. Within double quote, made in India decode should be within double quote handmade in India decode by local workers. In a recent webinar, Suresh Changha, Sarpanch of Kunaria village in Kutch in Gujarat, proposed that they can save rupees 40 lakh a month on such items by producing them locally. Elango Rangasamy, former Dalit Sarpanch of Kuthambakam village in Tamil Nadu, proposes a within single quote network economy decode in which clusters of villages can be self-reliant for most basic needs and exchange with neighboring clusters what they cannot produce or grow. Ela Bhatt, founder of ACWA, was proposed the within single quote 100-mile radius decode as a region within which the objective of self-reliance can be made. These are all currently relevant versions of Mahatma Gandhi's focus on self-reliance. There are hundreds of initiatives already demonstrating the feasibility of such an approach. Many are run by workers and communities themselves. Government sponsored programs like Kudimvasari in Kerala and Jharcraft in Jharkhand show how they can be significantly scaled with state support. During the COVID-19 lockdown, community resilience based on such initiatives was amply demonstrated. But let's be clear, such R&D will succeed only if there is a fundamental move away from a privatized capitalist economy and an authoritarian state and head-on tackling of casteism, patriarchy, and other structure of inequality. There are many successful initiatives and empowering women Dalits, Adivasis, landless, the LGBTQ plus community and the disabled to learn from. This is also means a serious attempt at land reforms, including recognizing collective rights over the commons, forests, grasslands, coastal and marine areas, biodiversity, wetlands, water, and knowledge. Legislation similar to the Forest Rights Act and community mobilization to implement it is needed for all other ecosystem. Stop writing. Now you can read your script and do transcription. You can also take this dictation again after practicing these outlines, which will help to improve your speed and accuracy in stenography. Now I am showing you important words outline. This is part 1. This is part 2. Now I am showing you the full passage. This is part 1. This is part 2. This is part 3. And the final part. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you find my dictation is useful to you.